Hello friends, in this video I'm going to show you how to install VMware Tools in CentOS 6. So first of all, here you have to select virtual machine drop down menu and just click on install VMware Tools. Click on install. So here the pop will come up and you can see all the files here. So this is the file which we need to install all the drivers. So just copy this to your desktop. This is done. I will install through the terminal. So first I have to extract the files from this archive. So since this is the tar file, so I need okay, this is done. So this is the folder where we have all the files to install drivers. Just go into that folder. And just this is the Perl script. Just you need to do is just simply run this script. Once you hit enter, so it will ask you few settings, so you don't need to do anything, just enter all the default settings. Later on you can change all these things if you need. As of now we can keep it as it is, so just hit enter. Now it's getting installed. So this is done. So once it is done, we need to restart the system to get all the changes affected. So just restart this. So this is done. You can copy the file from here to here or vice versa. Thank you.